So here I have a Pioneer amplifier. Test, I'm doing the troubleshooting. It says test CP1304, pins 1 and 2, make sure that they're 12 volts. Gets up to 12.7. Test IC1306 is this one, pin 2. So we got 12.7, so that's okay. Now it says test IC1306, pin 7 and 8. Is the 3.2 is good. So that's pin 7. Troubleshooting. We have IC1305, is this one right here, pin 2, which we get 12.7, 3.3 is good, 1304, turn on, 12 volts, and then over here we should get 5 volts is that I put here, we get 4.97. So they say the next thing to do is look at this DSP, so you can check the voltage here. It should be 3 volts, and this one should be 1.1 volt right there. I'm getting 1.1 volt. It's okay. So here I'm going to test out the relay on it, just using 5 volts here, and you can hear it, the relay is working. If I connect it here, you can clearly hear the click. So I'm thinking it's some of these relays